Welcome to the Wanderer's Guide tutorial number 3. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the most out of our GPS data using the map layers and trail profiles that are available. In our first tutorial, we suggested you switch the base layer from the default setting, Map Builder Topo, to Scanned Topo, using the drop-down menu in the upper right of the screen. Let's go back to that menu now because there are lots of other base layers and overlays to choose from. Two that we use regularly are down here under Google Layers. These are shown as Map and Satellite. The map base layer is just regular Google Maps, which many people already use for driving or navigating in urban areas. It doesn't have much to show unless you're in an urban area, then it will show all the roads and businesses. The satellite base layer shows the view using Google Earth. However, it has limited functionality compared to Google Earth because you can only zoom in and out, moving the view forward and back and side to side. CalTopo recently added a 3D button over here on the left side of the screen for pro-level users that provides all the functionality to spin and change pitch. In addition to the base layers, there are also overlays you can add on top of the base. What we found most useful are the Map Builder overlay, which makes all the roads appear, the Public Lands overlay, which shows different types of public land like Forest Service versus national parks, the Motor Vehicle Use Map, which shows the roads that are open, and the Cell Phone Coverage Map, which includes a drop-down menu so you can select your provider. Lastly, we want to mention the trail profiles that are available, both in the menu on the left or by just clicking a trail on the map. Using the menu, click on the name of any object, and the map will recenter on that object. Click the little graph icon next to the name and select Profile to see the total distance, as well as the elevation gain and loss involved with hiking this route. Keep in mind that's one way. For Boynton Canyon, it shows the trail is 3 miles long with an elevation gain of 798 feet and a loss of 85 feet. On the way back, it will be just the opposite, so you have to double everything to get the totals for an out-and-back hike. You can also get this information by clicking directly on the trail itself. Clicking on the trail gives you another option as well, which is estimated travel time. In this case, it indicates hiking the Boynton Canyon Trail will take about 1.6 hours. Again, that's one way. And since this is an out-and-back hike rather than a loop, you have to allow for the return trip, though it's going to be a little faster since it's mostly downhill. That wraps it up for our tutorials. Enjoy the trails and, as always, be safe out there.